everybody, welcome back. Today I received a package from Influenster. Influenster is an app that I downloaded a little while ago, and what you do is you post reviews about products that you've used, good, bad, the ugly, whatever, and you share them with millions of people that are already part of the Influencer community. And on this app you can just look for reviews on products. I've done that several times with a few of the things that I have purchased, just to see what real people using the products out in the real world really think and how their experiences have gone with these products. And then you can get in with that community. You can talk about products. It's not just beauty. I use it for beauty myself, but it's from pets to finances to travel to beauty, hair, skincare. There's any kind of product, really, you can use in this app to learn more about it or to contribute your opinion about it. And as you give reviews, Influencer is building a profile about you. That sounds wrong. That sounds bad. So that they can send you products for you to try out and review. And that's called a VoxBox, which is what I got in the mail today. So to get a part of Influencer, you can download the app and just start reviewing things, and then when they're ready to send out their boxes, they'll ask you if you want one, and then you'll give them your address, and they will send it to you. And then what you have to do is you open it up, you use them, you review them, and then you put them on your social medias. It's that easy, and it's free. I didn't pay anything for this box, which is pretty cool. I know it sounds too good to be true, but that's what happened. So if you're interested in seeing what I got in my Influencer VoxBox, then just keep watching. So it comes in a box, like a big box, like this, and then your products are here. This is the Spark VoxBox, and it has a little guide to what they sent you, and I got also some coupons for some butter. The first thing I got is the Pantene In the Shower Foam Conditioner. It's a full size of course. Just to use as a conditioner. It's very interesting. Next is a pack of fragrance-free makeup removal wipes from Whispers. I've never used makeup wipes before because I want to actually wash my face, but makeup wipes will actually help get the makeup off your face. So then when I'm using my Clarisonic, it's not pushing any makeup into my face. So to get all of the makeup off first and then wash my face, I think will help my skin to continue to improve. And in here you get 25 pre-moistened wipes. I sure freaking hope so. I also got a new razor from Pure Silk. It is huge. It has 6 blades to it, and it came with the cartridge that's already on it, and the cartridge that, an extra one. And it looks like the head is flexible, so you can get all in the contours and not cut your hamstrings off. Cool! These are things that I needed and didn't know that I needed. And the last product in the box is this Live Clean Coconut Milk Body Lotion. That is huge. Wow. And it's cruelty-free. And that's so cool. I really like this. It feels like I'm getting PR, but I'm actually like putting in more effort to get it. That is so great. I'm very excited to try these products out, and I'll let you guys know further how I feel about these. Thank you so much, Influencer, for sending me these products. I'm so excited to use them, and I can't wait to get more boxes from you guys. And that is it for this video, everybody. It's a good short one, because I have been putting out some very lengthy videos recently. And so here's a short one. Here's a throwing you a bone, I guess. Make sure you guys hit subscribe if you have not already. We are almost to 200 subscribers, which I love each and every one of you. Thank you. Thank you for your continued support. I love doing YouTube. It's so fun. Anyway, I'll see you guys later. Bye! Am I just brandishing scissors in the corner of this video? Sorry.